ocean? I ask this because the pods arrange themselves in a way reminiscent of Medusa and flappers.
What's your name?
Karen.
Hi, Karen.
Hi,
I love
it's
your
nice
headdress.
to meet you. I love it too. Watch this. No, watch. Can you hear that?
I got it.
Yeah.
Sure. Let me see if I can get a little bit of this. There's a pretty one. What's your name?
Gina.
Hi. Shake your head. Let's see it move. Good. And one more.
Hi, I'm Anne.
Hi, Ann. How
And
you
this is my
doing?
daughter Sophie. She'll be in the show too.
Oh, good. Sophie, let's see. What are you holding? Oh, you got a headdress? Whoa. Whoa. That's beautiful. What's your name?
Ashley.
Hi. Can you shake your head or something? Turn it around. Give me a spin around so we see it. Wow. Did you make that?
No.
Let's see if I can get a pic. What's your name?
Darliana.
Dahlia. Turn around and let me see the back of that. Keep going. Keep going. Beautiful. You have pretty eyes.
Judith Volkard.
Judith, tell me about your broom.
Well, I ordered this from, of all places, Amazon, and they came from Thailand. I bought 2 of them. I decided to decorate this one, and I found this piece, and it looked so much like a tassel to me that I thought I'm going to make a tassel out of it, so that, you know, it would just flow along with the sweep, sweep, sweep.
I'm Susan Fox. I'm the founder of the Eco Land Art Project. It started many years ago when I fell in love with the land art that was in Scotland when I was visiting an amazing garden called the Garden of Cosmic Speculation. And I wanted to bring it here because I saw how joyful families were when they were interacting with the earth. And part of the intention and focus of all these land art pieces we do is to inspire that more and more people to have a sense of overall health, well-being, and excitement about reconnecting with Earth. So we use these spaces for song, for music, for poetry. We have a fashion show going on right now, and there'll be a number of other things that take place so that the whole area gets energized with creativity, reconnection to Earth, and just a life force about how we are part of the natural world.
This is Sarah.
These are baby oyster shells. These were saved from a lobster trap that was on the beach on Narragansett Bay. These sassafras slices are of a tree that I met when I was 8 years old. This lace was bought on August 28th, 1965 for this exact presentation by my great aunt Eva.
What's the show about? What's going on today?
This is a chance for you to rekindle with the natural environment and find your place in it.
And what's your name?
I'm Sarah Seelenbrandt, the designer of Wrapped in Nature.
Yeah, tell me a little bit about your designer stuff.
So today's show will feature 10 looks, all sourced from materials from the natural environments in Rhode Island. They come to my studio, and the materials actually inform me of what and how they want to be showcased. And through the process of taking a single unit and turning it into a collective, into an ensemble, lessons are learned.
Thank you for coming. We hope to see you again at another event. Good afternoon.